Once upon a time, in a vibrant jungle far, far away, lived an array of animals, each with their unique traits. This jungle was not just any ordinary jungle. It was a place where the leaves danced to the rhythm of the wind, and the river hummed lullabies to the pebbles. In this jungle resided a swift cheetah known for her lightning-fast speed. There was also a wise old elephant, a beacon of wisdom and strength for all. A mischievous monkey, always up to some prank, brought laughter and lightheartedness. And last but not least, a timid turtle, whose slow pace held a charm of its own, reminding everyone that life is not always a race. Each of these animals, despite their stark differences, lived in harmony with one another. Their unique traits were respected and celebrated, making the jungle a haven of diversity and unity. But one day, a problem arose that threatened the peace of the jungle. A fierce and fiery dragon had arrived, causing havoc and fear among the jungle animals. Just imagine, the once peaceful jungle was now in a state of disarray. Trees were charred, rivers boiled, and the once vibrant sounds of the jungle were replaced by eerie silence and the occasional roar of the dragon. The animals, small and large, were filled with fear. The tiny mouse hid in its burrow. The brave lion found refuge in the caves, and the wise old elephant stood still, contemplating their next move. The situation was dire, and it was clear something had to be done. In the heart of the jungle, a meeting was held. Despite their fear, the animals knew they had to band together. The wise elephant, with his years of wisdom, suggested a plan. The idea was simple yet brave. They would confront the dragon together, each using their unique abilities, and so, with a plan in mind, they set off to confront the dragon. The animals, each using their unique traits, confronted the dragon. The cheetah, with her lightning-fast speed, was able to dart around the dragon, confusing and tiring it. The elephant, wise and measured, used his vast knowledge to talk to the dragon, explaining that they meant no harm. The monkey, ever the trickster, used his quick-witted mischief to distract the dragon, making it laugh with his antics. And finally, the turtle, slow and often underestimated, approached. With a deep breath, he began to speak. His words were slow but filled with such wisdom and patience, the dragon couldn't help but listen. The turtle explained that they all shared the jungle, and that peace was more beneficial than conflict. The dragon, moved by the turtle's words, decided to live in harmony with the other animals. And so, the jungle was peaceful once again, reminding us all that no matter our differences, when we work together, we can overcome anything.